Hi, it's Laura. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I wanted to share with you the surprise that I got in the mail. I wasn't expecting it so soon, but I will open it with you. It is from a company which I have recently reconnected with called Alchemy Works, and I got some incense and some seeds for working in my garden and also doing spiritual work, as well as just smelling nice. I got them a little bit ago, tried them out, and I was so happy with it that I decided to make another order. I did used to shop with them a little bit, way back, maybe 15 years ago. So it's really nice to reconnect and delve into all of their wonderful offerings. I will list the information for Alchemy Works below. They are a small family-run business who take a lot of care and a lot of spiritual energy that they put into their works, and it really shows. The stuff that I've got from them recently and in the past is outstanding, and they have products and things that I've never seen anywhere else, and the quality is always the best. So without further ado, I have already cut and opened the package, and let's see what. Okay, got some padding. It's quite a large package, and a listing of all my items. They always include some samples of things, which I'm excited to see what we've got this time. So, oh my god, I wish you could smell this, because just opening the box, it smells amazing. Fruity, herbal, wonderful. So let's see what we got here. Okay, so right in the top here, we've got incense boxes. I'm going to show you what these are. I got 3 of them this time. Hopefully that is focused on them. And I have, like I said, 3 types. Edfu Kyphi, which is it's a incense that's based on a 1st century BC formula that they used to burn in the temples. So a recreated incense from ancient. And I love the connection to ancient things and feeling that connection to history in the past. The second one I got is Virgo, which is my sign. And the third one I got is Dreamworld. Previously, I had gotten 2 incenses from them. I've been doing some work with the strong feminine energies and Venus and exploring that side, because that's something kind of new to me. I haven't really delved into Venus and Aphrodite work. But I've lately started to. So let's just open these up and take a little whiff. Just cutting one side of the tag. Okay. Oh my gosh, I wish you could smell, because I know it's going to be amazing. So let's look at Edfu first. Ooh. Oh, that's interesting. So there you can see, they're always very full. It's kind of, wow. It's really powerful. It's very resiny and thick, really rich, kind of piney, and it's hard to describe that one. So here we go, Virgo. Let's just up the top. Ooh, that one's also really interesting too. It's kind of more woodsy. Pretty color too. I like that. Sandalwood. Yeah, I could smell the sandalwood in there. And the third one is Dreamworld Moon Planetary Incense with willow, pennyroyal, and dimmer, and other things too. Ooh, this one's so full. It's just bursting. It's beautiful. I can smell the floral essences. It's stunning and lovely. So that'll be for dream work and all sorts of yummy work. Okay, so now we'll get more into there. Everything is wrapped up so nicely. Everything smells so amazing. So let's see what we got. Okay, white sandalwood and red rosebuds and petals. Again, for working with Aphrodite, Venus, and that sort of powerful, feminine, dark strength, the strong, the powerful, the good, the bad, the intense emotional side. I've been really trying to explore that. Ooh, and also some cinnamon. I want to try making some of my own incenses and blends as well. So I have some ingredients for doing that. Ooh, okay. I don't exactly know how to say it, but it's Opoponax Resin. Mars, protection, learning magic, and eating. So I've been trying to learn what that looks like and grow spiritually. So hopefully that will help. Ah, yes, excellent. Feverfew. I do get migraines, so I like to use Feverfew for a number of reasons. It helps with my migraines. Like I said, their prices are really good and the quality is top notch. This is 1 ounce right here. I don't remember what that was like. For example, $4. So $4 for this. The incenses range from, I think, about 15 to 22, something like that. The Edfu ancient one was the most expensive one. I think that was 20. The others were $15 range for the other incenses. And I mean, you get so much for that and it just lasts so long. It's so worthwhile and everything just is beautiful. And you can be assured that there's no gunky weird stuff that sometimes they put in cheap incense. And cedarwood. So that's also really lovely to blend with incenses. Oh, it smells fantastic. And the cedarwood chips, $3.50 for this whole bag, which will last a very long time actually. Okay, let's see what else we got here. Ooh. All right, so this is Hyssop's herbs, and it's a 1/2 ounce. This is a sample that they sent for free with my order. Jupiter herb protection. Nice. And in here also is, I think, yes, more samples. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh, that is cute. Okay, so I got 7 roots incense, also a sample for free, as well as some of their oils. I have not tried their oils before, so I'm really glad that I do get to try their oils. And I sent 2 little samples in this absolutely adorable little jars. Luck oil, Hermes herb, and Justice oil. Let's just have a quick. Very kind of light and fruity and kind of very springtime. And Hermes, oh, that's kind of a bit darker, a little more pungent, but beautiful. Really nice. I'm curious to try that. Let's see. And finally, I did order some seeds. So I ordered Hyssop seeds and they sent me California poppy as well as a bonus. I planted some of the seeds that I got in the previous order. They are already sprouting, so I can attest that their seeds are fresh, good quality seeds and germinate quite well. Again, the seeds for the selection that they have of magical herbs, they have things that other people do not have. And I've been very happy with the quality that I get from them. Everything germinates. well, not everything, but a good amount of it germinates, and I trust that their quality. It's a really ethical company, small family business, and I love supporting it. So that is my recent order from Alchemy Works, and I just wanted to share that with you because I love supporting small brands, and I hope that you do too. And hopefully you will check it out for all your incense, oils, magical herbs, seeds, and other magical needs. They also have a huge database of information related to the products that they sell. And it's a fascinating site to explore. I will say that the site is rather retro. It's very 2000s and not upgraded. It's not a fancy site. It's not a slick site, but the information that they have on there is outstanding, and it's vast. They have so many different products, and they're all top quality, handmade, hand cared for, and really lovingly produced and shipped. So I can't say enough about how happy I am with this company, and I hope that you can enjoy it as well. All right. Yay, I'm going to go for some incense right now because this is exciting. Have a great day. I'm so glad that you're here, and I hope to share with you again other things very soon. Bye. Thank you so much for being here. Like and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful rest of your day.